Class 3 EVS now. We'll start with chapter 11, that is Essay 3 syllabus. This is bird, Essay 3 syllabus. Now see. Birds. So chapter 11, that is birds. Name the birds. Write the name of these birds. Birds are one of the most beautiful creatures on the earth. They are found everywhere. Now birds is most beautiful creature on earth and they are found everywhere. We see variety, different kinds of birds around us. They have different shape, size and color. They have different shape, size and color. Okay, there are different types of birds. You have seen, I think so. So now, characteristics of birds. Birds like all other birds like all other living beings need food to survive. They need food to live. They do not have teeth like other animals to chew food. They have beaks and claws. They have beaks and claws. You know beaks? Okay, the pointed thing with which they eat. This is known as the, okay, this is beaks. Suppose this is a bird. So this is the beak. Okay, and claws, the nails that they have. These are the claws. Okay, here they have nails. Okay, so this is the, so they have beaks and claws. These are claws and this is beaks. They use their claws to catch and hold their food. They use their beaks to eat food. Okay, they also use their beaks and claws to protect themselves. Some birds eat flesh while others eat grain, fruit and seeds. Some of them eat the flesh, but some of them eat the grains, fruit and seeds. Birds have wings and feathers which help them to fly. Birds have wings and feathers which help them to fly. These are the characteristics of birds. Now, kind of feathers. You have seen different kinds of feathers birds have. Now see. Feathers of bird are of different type. Feathers of birds are of different types. Each type of feathers serve as different purpose. Each types of feathers serve as different purpose. Number one is down feather, body feather and flight feather. Now see. Down feather are feathers that keep birds warm. These feathers are short and fluffy. Down feathers are feathers that keep a bird warm. These feathers are short and fluffy. Now, down feathers keep the bird warm and they are short and fluffy. Body feathers covers the body of the bird and give shape to their body. Okay, and flight feathers are found on the wings and tails of a bird. Flight feathers, wings and tails of the bird, they help the bird to fly. So three types of feathers: down feather, body feather and this is flight feather. See the feathers. Okay, now how do birds fly? How do birds fly? See, a bird's body is well suited for flying. The following features help a bird to fly. Birds have a boat-shaped body. They have what? A shaped body, boat shape, which help them to cut through air and fly easily. The boat-shaped body, see, and which them to cut through air and they can fly easily. Okay, it's like a boat. The bones of a bird are hollow and light but strong. Bones of a bird are hollow. Okay, inside there is nothing like this. So this is the bone. Inside is fluff. Inside there is nothing. Only the outer surface is there. Okay, so they are hollow and light and but strong. Light means no weight. They have wings instead of arms. They have wings. These are the wings they have instead of arms which we have, which help them to fly. The tail of a bird helps them change direction while flying. Tail helps to change direction while flying. Some birds like swallows and cranes can fly very long distance. They can fly very long distance for a long time. Birds like hen and peacock can fly only short distance. Hens and peacock, they cannot fly too much. They can fly only short distances. Eagles and vulture are excellent glider. Okay, they can glide. See, eagles, vultures. Okay. Now some birds like ostrich and kiwi cannot fly at all. Ostrich and kiwi, they cannot fly at all. Ostrich and kiwi birds, they cannot fly at all. Okay. Some birds like ostrich and kiwi cannot fly. Hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. Birds usually fly frontward, but hummingbirds, they fly backward. Okay. Only bird which can fly backward. The beaks of a bird. Beaks, you know. This is the beaks which they have. Birds eat food with their beaks. The beak of a bird is best suited for the kind of food it eats. Birds like sparrow and pigeons have short, hard and pointed beak. This helps them in eating grain, seed and cracked nuts. Flesh-eating birds like eagle and hawks have strong, sharp and hooked beak to tear flesh. Strong and chisel-shaped beak found bird like woodpecker help them to make hollow in the hard trunk of the tree, also to catch insects. Okay, woodpeckers, they always pick the wood so they can make hollow. They makes the wood hollow, so they have chisel-shaped beak. Parrots have hooked beak which help them to crack nuts and seed. Okay, parrots have hooked beak, which help them to break nuts and seeds. Okay, for today this much. Read the chapter, practice reading and read it once, it will be clear. So for today this much. Thank you.